I gotta go talk to Lela now. Because I feel like you started off in the wrong foot here in the house. Sorry, Lela. For what I did.
But you don't know what you...
I know it. I'm sorry for the wrong message na pinunday ko sa'yo. I just really wanted to get to know you. I wanna apologize kasi I enabled talking with code names. I enabled talking na nag-usap tayo na fairy tale. That was wrong. That's my fault. Kasi instead na sabihin ko talaga sa'yo yung totoo kong nararamdaman, ginawa ko pang parang story time. And syempre, bakit natin ginawa yun nang alam naman natin Kuya's always listening? I'm sorry because pinaglaruan ko pa talaga yung totoo kong nararamdaman sa'yo. I went through a difficult route to try and get what I wanted from you, which was to have a genuine connection with you. Pero I chose a wrong path to go there. And then, after all those violations, to just know that in the end, na magaganon lang din, na lalayo ka pa pala sa akin. So, dahil dun, I'm sorry, because I could have been a better example.
I just don't really appreciate you telling off na things na you're not even sure. Basta may nakalating na rin sa akin na kaya mo lang ako kinakausap is because you feel like there's a wall and you feel like that I like you. Believe it or not, like, hindi ako, like, there's no feelings involved. I mean, okay, yes, I'll be honest, I'm open to, like, to get to know you more.
Yeah.
But it's not like,
So you don't have to explain. Yeah, you don't have to explain. So,
yeah, it's just, it makes me think how you took
how I
that.
are. But ito yung side ko. Honestly, I really do wanna know you deeper. Like, hindi yun bola. Gusto kitang makausap talaga. Promise. And I'm sorry, because it started off in a wrong foot. Then that's my fault.
And do you know why I'm feeling like this? Because at first, like,
You expected more from me.
yeah. And like, we're friends talaga tayo. I really consider you as my friend talaga before going in here.
I'm still your
Kayong
friend.
dalawa niyo. Like, kayong dalawa talaga closest ko dito.
Moving forward, I promise to show you a better side of me. And not just to you, to other people as well.
What's important now is, I'm sure, like, you're in the right path right now. Ako, I believe naman na us, dito, sa loob ng PBB, we're all meant to make mistakes. Hindi naman tayo pumasok here para magpaka-perfect and all that. That's fine. And I appreciate you din pala for owning up to it. Thank you. Thank you.